Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see that how to post anything on Instagram using web version on PC or Mac. So let's start with it. To post anything on Instagram, first of all we have to open our browser. So I recommend Chrome to use, and we'll just type instagram.com or whatever Instagram. I will just Google it and just click on the website, and you have to log into your profile, and I'll just log in by entering my mail and my password. After you have logged in, go into profile, and that's my profile. Okay, so after, if I have to post anything, I'll just click on three dots here and just go in more tools and developers tools. So after going from here, you'll just get a screen like this, but I don't want this screen. Or you can get this screen by clicking right click and inspect, and just you will get a same screen, and just you have to click on this toggle device toolbar on this mobile phone and tab icon, and just click on that, and you should get a screen like a phone, and just refresh it and you are good to go. And it will just come up with, as you can see, like the mobile app, like, well, is the post from here. You can do post from here, and it will open to do post anything. So I'm just going to give it something or other. Just gonna go downloads or anything. I'll just give it, so it only supports, so let's go and downloads, and I will just upload a photo, and it's my photo of my YouTube video. So I'll just click next from here and write any captions here if I want, drop shipping and all that stuff. I'll just share it by clicking share. It will just post on Instagram account, and it's posted here as you can see. So it's posted here on my profile. So I'm gonna back on my profile, so you will just see this a dot, gray dot. It's a touch screen, means it I know what do you say, it emphasizes touch screen. Yeah, so I'll just close this, and you can just use Instagram as like this as well by clicking here, or use this as a mobile app in full screen. If you refresh it again, then it's gonna go to its original form. So this is how Instagram works, and that's it. You have just posted a post like that. I have posted this one now, and great, I posted, yeah. So it's a great, cool, nice thing, and this is insane, I think. So thank you very much for watching to the video. Thank you. That's it, guys. We have just posted the post on Instagram using web version in Mac or PC. So give a comment below the how do you like this technique of posting anything on Instagram, and just give it a like if it helped you, and share it on Instagram and everywhere. Thank you very much for watching.